Hi, I'm Diana. I want to talk to you about a common problem that some silk scarves have. Like, this is a perfectly gorgeous scarf. I love the colors on the edges, on the corners, but what's happening here in the middle? What's happening here in the middle is quite boring to me. When you fold a silk scarf, this is what happens. Do you see this big white part in the middle? Watch what happens. I'm going to roll it up, as you commonly do, and you mostly get the white boring part. And that's okay. Sometimes you want something boring, and in that case, it's perfectly fine. But I didn't want this. That is not why I bought this scarf. I wasn't looking for one little apostrophe there. That's what it looks like. Now let's wrap it in a way where we see the purple. What I'm going to do is, instead of just starting to fold small from here and rolling it in, I'm going to give it a big fold forward so that the end is up here near the flat part. And then I'm going to give it one roll from the flat part to keep that tip tucked in, because we don't want that flapping out. I wish I had better terminology. And what I really want is this purple part. So I think what I need to do now is flip it over. And now let's give it some folds in from the white part toward the purple. And look, we have a purple scarf now. That's what we wanted. That's why we bought this scarf. And also, the tip isn't going to poke out. Let me try this on and show you the difference. Here's my beautiful purple scarf, which is the entire reason I probably bought this scarf, is I was looking at the lavender. So you can fold it creatively to get the part of your scarf showing that you wanted to show. And now I can actually enjoy this thing. If you like content on silk scarves, I have it here and here. I would love it if you would join the conversation. See you soon.